Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show how to mute notifications for mentions in your bio on Instagram using your PC. If you've been getting too many alerts and want a quieter experience, this quick setting change will help you stay focused without completely turning off all notifications. Let's get straight into it. First, open Instagram in your web browser. Go to Instagram.com and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your home feed, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, which is the menu icon. Click on those three lines to open the menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page where you can control different aspects of your Instagram experience. Inside Settings, find and click on Notifications. This section lets you manage what alerts you receive and how often you get them. Next, click on Push Notifications. Here you'll see a list of different notification types that Instagram can send to you. Scroll through the options until you find Mentions in Bio. This is the setting that controls notifications when someone mentions you in their bio. To mute these notifications, simply select Off under Mentions in Bio.